It's Sunday the 5th of October. We're back at the seaside looking for Harry or Susie. This seagull has come on top of the car. Obviously it's not Harry or Susie because it hasn't got the red netting tangled on the legs. So we're still looking for Harry or Susie if he or she needs help. So, Hastings Seaside. It's a beautiful afternoon. It's about going on to 5 o'clock. Very nice sea breeze. Beautiful. Seagull is still in the car, so we will wait a little bit more just to see if Harry or Susie will turn up. Okay, we'll give it a little bit more time just to see if Harry or Susie will turn up. Maybe he or she is okay. But if he or she does turn up, I will try to help to get the netting off the feet. But we've been here 2 times now. It's nice to come here anyways, just to get fresh air and to look at the ocean and get some relaxation. Okay, well, signing off for now, and